Guess who's back? Well, boys and girls, today's edition of Sinister Kustoms, we have a Dodge Ram who's had a little fender bender on the freeway. Nothing major. Just has a little dent in the bumper. We just need to knock out. Polish it up a little bit. No big deal. So, on this new edition, hope you like the intro and the outros. It's a work in progress. Don't forget to like and share, please. We're going to also be posting up daily. Trying, okay, no promises. But we'll get this up, we'll get this ripped apart, see how it goes. Well, there you go, boils and ghouls. The truck is done. I explained to her that it wouldn't be perfect due to we are banging out metal. But I think we got it pretty damn good. So, client's on her way. She's very happy, very relieved. Hope he won't find out. She doesn't want him to know. So, there you go. Here's our episode. Real quick one. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See y'all later. Deuces.